how to fix Valorant connection error code 81. And if you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, first open task manager, and now once you're here, scroll down, scroll until you find Vanguard. Here's it. Right click on Vanguard and click in task. Now go back and go to services. Now once you're here, scroll down, scroll until you find VGC. Right click on it and then click start. Before that, go to properties, make it automatic, and then click start, apply and OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.